What's new at Peernet? Now available for all Document Conversion Service users is the newly released update for DCS, version 320. New in DCS 320 is the addition of 4 new output file setting options available when converting to Adobe PDF, also known as searchable PDF. 3 of these output options, page sizing, auto rotation, and endorsements, were previously available when converting to image formats including TIFF, JPEG, and PDF images, but now have been extended to be made available when converting to Adobe PDF. The 4th output option, Watermark Stamping, is a brand new feature now available for all output file formats. With the release of DCS 320, you can now adjust the page size, auto-rotate the page, add endorsement text such as page numbering in the footer or a company name and address in the header, and add a diagonal watermark stamp across the page during conversion to searchable Adobe PDFs. Any hyperlinks, bookmarks, or outlines embedded in the input files will be maintained in the output Adobe PDF. These output options can be accessed through WatchFolder service or can be included in a conversion profile and called from the command line or your own code with the Peernet Convert utility. As always, we have addressed as many issues reported by our clients as we could fit into our development cycle. Client feedback and in many cases sample documents are critical in terms of fixing issues. This new version includes fixes for a subfolder deletion issue, a processing error with very long paths and file names in MSG files and attachments, and an intermittent pickup hanging issue when dropping large folders containing files and subfolders of files with WatchFolder service. There is also a fix for recycling 64-bit applications, as well as some customer-specific fixes. For a more detailed description of the output file options now available when converting to Adobe PDF with Document Conversion Service, please see our blog entitled Page Sizing, Auto Rotation, Endorsements, and Stamping for Adobe PDFs. A link to this blog is provided in your newsletter. If you are looking for detailed instructions on how to enable these output file options, I would encourage you to watch our new tutorial video called Page Sizing, Endorsements, and Stamping for Adobe PDFs with Document Conversion Service, also linked in your newsletter. We hope you enjoy DCS 320. When you go to update, be sure to follow the instructions found in the FAQ. Do I need to uninstall DCS before installing an upgrade or update, which includes instructions on how to use our backup and restore tools. As always, if you need any assistance now or in the future with Document Conversion Service, the Peernet support team is always happy to help.